play with his cups and plates and letters.
Mommy, you need to take him over there and show him that those letters belong on...
Don't say I didn't get you anything.
Yeah. You need to take him over there and show him that they belong on the refrigerator.
Well, I want to get him on tape to close this thing. Alright, let's close it up. Look. Let's close it up.
He's good because he took this. He took this, I had it apart. And he was fooling with it, you know, you had it like this.
Yeah! Almost. You gotta push it down a little bit more.
And then he had like that. He had like one section where he had like that, and I just put it like that.
And
then he's like. Then I took it completely apart.
Do you want to leave it open?
He was playing with it, and he put it on by himself.
He's
Mama,
trying.
show him where those magnets go.